Erik Ten Hag is a Dutch professional footballer. He was born on February 2, 1970 in Haaksbergen, Netherlands. Ten Hag is married to wife Bianca. The couple have two daughters and a son. On 21st April 2022, Ten Hag was appointed as manager of Manchester United starting from end of the 2021-22 season until June 2025 with the option of extending for a further year. On 16 May 2022, it was confirmed that Ten Hag had left his Ajax role early in order to begin his preparations of Manchester United manager for the 2022-23 season. Ten Hag lost his first Premier League match 1-2 at home to Brighton and Hove Albion on 7 August 2022. Following a 4-0 defeat away to Brentford on 13 August 2022, in his second Premier League match, Ten Hag became the first Manchester United manager since John Chapman in 1921 to lose his first two games in charge. On 22 August 2022, Ten Hag won his first competitive game as Manchester United manager when his side recorded a 2-1 victory against arch-rivals Liverpool at Old Trafford. This was United's first league win against Liverpool since March 2018. Ten Hag played primarily as a centre-back for Twente, RKC Waalwijk and Utrecht. He had three stints with Twente, with whom he won the KNVB Cup in the 2002-2001 season. Ten Hag also won the Eerste Divisie with De Graafschap in the 1990-91 season, 10 years before winning the cup with Twente. He retired from active playing in 2002 at the age of 32 while playing for Twente after the end of the 2001-2 Eredivisie season. On 21st December 2017, he was appointed as the head coach of Ajax after the club dismissed Marcel Keizer. In 2019, he led his Ajax team to the semi-finals of the 2018-19 UEFA Champions League for the first time since 1997 by winning against defending champions Real Madrid 4-1 in the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium at the round of 16 stage and also beating Juventus away 1-2, having drawn the first leg 1-1 at home in the quarter-finals. He won his first managerial trophy with Ajax on 5 May 2019 with 2018-19 KNVB Cup, beating Willem II in the final. Only 10 days after winning the cup, Ajax, led by Ten Hag, won the Eredivisie as well after a 1-4 away victory over the Graafschap and brought the double back to the club. On 18 April 2021, Ten Hag guided Ajax to their record-extending 20th KNVB Cup with a 2-1 win over Vitesse in the final. 2 weeks later, Ten Hag extended his contract with Ajax through to the end of the 2022-23 season. On 16 January 2022, Ten Hag became the fastest manager in league history to reach 100 wins with Ajax, achieving the feat in 128 matches when his side beat Utrecht 3-0 away on match day 19. Ten Hag then became the sporting director and head coach of Utrecht in summer 2015, where he led the club to 5th place during his first season. In the 2016-17 season, he improved FC Utrecht's final position to 4th, booking a place in the UEFA Europa League qualifiers.